Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your AirPods Pro are charged and the case is open. This prevents interruptions. Once done, pick the silicone tip that seals your ear. A proper seal improves bass and noise cancellation. Make sure to sit upright and clear your ear canal of wax. This gives a smooth path for insertion. With thumb and index finger, hold the stem close to the base. You're ready to bring the bud to the ear with a gentle, controlled motion. You insert the bud at a slight forward angle so the nozzle follows the ear canal's natural curve. This reduces pressure and assists the seal. Once the tip sits near the entrance, rotate gently clockwise while pushing inward. Rotate rather than shove to avoid discomfort. Make sure to hold the stem to control depth. After seating it, play a short audio cue to confirm the noise-canceling seal. If you don't hear a change, adjust the tip size or reseat the bud. You complete the process by running the ear tip fit test or playing a familiar track to confirm bass and isolation. This proves the seal and comfort. If sound lacks low end or feels loose, swap to a larger tip and repeat insertion. Small changes matter. If a bud feels stuck, don't yank. Twist slowly while pulling outward to release it. If you still experience poor fit or persistent discomfort, stop using it and contact Apple support or authorized service for inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.